Hey everybody, Deb Tomaro, Realtor here at a new listing. I'm at 1607 South Andrews Circle, which is right off of Moore's Pike on the east side, just east of Sayre Road, when Sayre Road turns into College Mall. You know what I'm talking about. And this is a surprising house. It is over 4,000 square feet, so it's much larger than it looks, I think, from the outside. And it's got, what I really like about it is that it's got so many options for how you use the space. And you'll see that as we go through, we've tried to make home showings a little bit interactive. We've given room inspiration on how different spaces could be used. And so I think that's great. It is 5 bedrooms. You could probably squeeze more out of it if you wanted to, but 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, has a full lower walkout that could be a great in-law suite. It's got lots of options for home office. It's got, the roof was put on in June. What's now October, so 4 months old. So new roof, and it's been really impeccably maintained. It's just a really lovely home in a great east side location. So let me take you inside. We're gonna talk kind of fast because it's a big house, there's a lot to cover. All right, I'm standing at the front door. There's my shadow. And I'm gonna talk really fast because there's a lot to this house, and I know no one's gonna sit for an hour while I do a video. So here I'm standing at the front door. There is an office, also calling that kind of a private sitting room, and you'll see why here in a minute. This, we are calling the formal dining room, but as you can see, we have these displays up throughout the house. I love this, I had so much fun doing this. We have virtually staged this same space. So here it is as a dining room. Here it is as a library, I love this one. And then here it is as a music room. So just helping you, we call it room inspiration. And we're just helping people envision. There's so many spaces in this house that could be used in a lot of different ways, and we really want you to envision that. So that's what we've done with this listing. So dining room, it's a big circular pattern. Stay with me here. This door is gonna go to the basement, which I'll show you. This is laundry room, mud room, comes in off of the garage. We'll give you a quick peek there. This is an oversized 2.5 car garage. You can see you've got this extra space here that most garages don't have. So plenty of room for storage. And also, yep, goes back there. Oops, I turned the wrong light off. Here I am walking in the dark again. Okay. And then I'm gonna take a quick peek, and then we're gonna come back to this. This is the living room. This is really what I consider the heart of the home, sort of the casual living area. It's got the kitchen, and then it's got an eating area here with 2 sliders that look out on the back deck. And then a nice big, if you want it to be a family room, it can be a family room, it can be a lot of different things. Gas fireplace. We've also done room inspiration for this space as well. So here it is as a family room, just a couch, TV kind of thing, and there's a table and the breakfast nook. Another version of that, which I'm calling more like a sitting room. And then you could also do this as a dining room. The owner actually had a baby shower, bridal shower here, and did that in this space, and it created just a really nice party space. Good sized room. We've got double ovens over here. This one up top is a convection oven. And then you have an electric cooktop here that has, this is a great feature, downdraft, but it drafts to the outside, which we don't see a lot, and I know a lot of people ask for. So it does draft all those cooking odors all to the outside. There's a vent outside. All the appliances are just a couple years old. The other thing I really like about this kitchen, or this detail, these cabinets here have these pull-out shelves, so you can really get to all those things in the back of your shelves. I need that at my house. And this pantry here has all the same pull-out shelves, nice and wide. So great use of space there. There is another closet here that they used as additional pantry space too. Okay, let's keep going with the circle. So this is the formal living room. It is 2 stories. Really, really beautiful when the sun's not behind the clouds. And we've got a room inspiration on this one. And then you can see where we came from the front door. So we just made that circle through the dining room. I'll kind of cut back here so you can see the circle we made. Now we're back to the dining room. So I love how the family area is kind of tucked in the back. It just feels super cozy. Up here we've got a powder room, and then this leads into the primary bedroom. Now remember that office I showed you up in front with the French doors right by the front door. So this is an office space, or it could be a private sitting room space. You could change the doors out and make it a nursery. So again, lots of options on that. And then there's a pocket door for closing off this space. In here, the primary bedroom, we've brought back my famous bed sticks. So this is allowing people who tour the home. I've fancied them up this time. So let me show you. There's actually a hinge here. So if the hinge is, if it's closed, that is the width of a queen bed. And if we open the hinge, that is the width of a king size bed. The length is the same for both a queen and a king. So you can play with these sticks about bed placement, figure out, how your bed might fit, that kind of thing. So we like to do that sort of thing in vacant homes. It's kind of fun. And then, oh, look at this. My contractor friend Noel did this bathroom. Double vanities. All the bathrooms in this house have had some updates and upgrades. This floor is gorgeous. Check out that soaking tub. Amazing. And there's a separate room with a shower, water closet, and then a large walk-in closet as well. Isn't that pretty? Okay, have I hit everything on this floor? I think I have. So dining room, family space, living room, primary bedroom, office. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and a special bonus room. These are all nice sized bedrooms. I hate how this photo makes it look real skinny, and it's not. These rooms are like 12 by 11, 12 by 12, so they're good sized rooms. So here's another bedroom. So 5 bedrooms total, 1 on the main, 1 in the lower level, and 3 up here. That's 1 bedroom. Here's the second, and the third up here. Again, this one makes it look skinny too, but it's not. You can drag the bed sticks up here. You can see you can easily fit a king size bed in here. This is what we're calling flex space. So this is about a 9 by 11 or so, 9 by 12. So decent sized space, no windows, no closet. Could be finished storage. You could just store things in here. Could be a craft room. Be a good like gaming room or something where there's like no windows for glare on screens, that kind of thing. Could be another home office. So a lot of options on this space. And then another updated bathroom up here. So there's a full bath on each level, and then a half bath powder room on the main level. And this one's got a linen closet as well. Okay, so we've done the main, we've done the up. Let's go down to the lower level. I am standing at the bottom of the stairs in the lower level. So let me come down here. This is a huge space. I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek. Oh my gosh, that's huge. This is an area that we are encouraging people to use their imagination. We've got our inspiration wall over here, and I'll put these pictures up in the video, but this could be a home theater, a workout space, a playroom. It could be any number of things. Isn't that amazing? My photographer did such a good job. So that's this space. There's no windows, which is one of the reasons why I think it would make a great home theater. There is a bedroom right here. Huge closets. This whole wall is closets. Really large size. This is as large as the master bedroom upstairs, about 15 by 13. And then there is a full bath right here with a tub, spacious. And there's a linen closet here as well. And then this is the rest of the lower level, which could be whatever you want it to be. Definitely another good home theater space down here. Pool table, playroom, just a comfy couch and a giant TV. You've got walkout to the lower level here to the yard. And then there is some storage. I'm gonna go around the other way for the storage, because this is the majority of the storage area. So there's all the way down there. You can see the poured concrete walls, mechanicals in here, And then if I come down here, you can see it's just kind of open through the, not there, here, through the studs to some more storage space, and that comes out in the large living space down here. So tons of storage, whatever you need. Let your imagination run wild. This is the yard. So you've got a covered patio, you've got the deck up there with stairs down. There's plenty of space here for a play set, or if you wanted to put a hot tub, kind of bring it out this way a little bit, or for some gardens, you could do that as well. They've just really, what I like is I'm always like blank slate, blank slate. So that's what they've done. They've created a blank slate so you can do as much or as little in terms of landscaping that you want to do. Right now the yard is really very low maintenance, just kind of mow and go. There's not much else going on, which I like the really clean look. And I don't really care to spend my weekends doing landscaping. So, but if you want to, you can do plantings. There's a little bit of side yard there as well. And I do want to give you just a shot of the back of the house, and hopefully you'll see that in the listing photos. It's just a lot of house. There you go.